You will fall in love with this dark brown sweet treat called Habshi Halwa. Let's learn how to make it.
Hello everyone, the ingredients we need are milk 1 cup, powdered milk ½ cup, sugar 1 cup, butter 1 stick, it's ½ cup butter, pecans 1½ cup, almonds ½ cup, condensed milk 12 ounce, and I'm using pecans in this. If you like to use walnuts, you can use them as well. Coarsely ground pecans and almonds. I have coarsely chopped the nuts. You can see. Pour them in your baking dish. Add powder milk, condensed milk, mix it. Add sugar, mix it well. Now add butter. Now we will place it in oven. It's preheated on 350 F. It will take an hour, but we have to stir it after every 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we will stir it. You can see it's boiling. Clean the sides like this every time so it won't stick to the walls of the pan. Now put it back. After second 15 minutes interval, I will stir it again. You can see it's turning brown from the sides. You have to clean all the sides so it won't stick to the sides. Now I will put it back for next 15 minutes. After third 15 minutes interval, I will stir it again. You can see the oil is separating. Now you can see the texture. The oil is separating and I think it's almost done. We have to give it next 5 to 7 more minutes. After 5 minutes, take it out. Now grease the pan and pour the halwa in it. Now smooth the surface. Now let it cool down for next half an hour. Then we will cut the slice.